Everyone, this is another video. So in today's video, we are going to solve the question that is rotate array. So we are given the array that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have to rotate it by 2. So the output should come as 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, which means when rotated by two elements, it becomes 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So let's understand the question properly on a screen. So let's begin. So we are given with areas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We were given with the array like this. Then we were supposed to make it as 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So can you think of something like we can do to make it as this? We have to rotate it by 2. So the possible solution you are looking. So see, taking two elements as they are given with the 2 here, then moving with the next element remaining array as this. Now what we are going to do? We are going to reverse these elements. By reversing these elements, it becomes this. Now is something looking like this. We have created two parts, one part and second part. We reverse the both the parts, first part and second part, and then we again reverse the whole array. It becomes as the desired output. So this was the quick approach for this question, rotate and array. So now we are going to code it. So let's move on to the screen. So we are ready to code. So first, let's create a function that is a static void reverse that will be used to reverse the array. So here we will pass an argument that one will be array, then we will have start. We will starting and we will be having an index. Using the same technique as we did in the earlier question, that was reverse an array. So like take into pointer variables I is equals to start and j will be equals to n minus 1, and then by using the while loop, while I was less than equals to 0, or we can say less than j, then we were creating the swap that was in storing a temporary value of array of I, or we can just simply, without using these two variables, we can also write directly if start is less than n. Array of start, and let us start and set the value of array of and an array of n will have the value of 10. So this was the logic, and after that we will increase the value of start by 1, decrease the value of n by 1. So this was a logic for the reverse. Now we have to write here. So what we saw, so we have to divide it into two parts. So let's divide it into two parts. That was, we will call the function reverse. Reverse, we will pass the array starting index as 0, ending index as d minus 1. As 1 less than, then we are using calling the another reverse function, passing array. Now it is starting from d till array dot length minus 1. So we have now created these two parts. The next part is, so we get the input as the output as this. Now we have to reverse the whole array. So let's reverse the whole array that we will using reversing complete array with the starting at 0 and ending with AR.length minus 1. So we want to only get this. Now let's compile. Case 1 is done, and now clicking on submit. See, so we got an error. This is because we just have to do one thing. We have to find the length, and we have to do d is equals to d mod and this simple line, because we can be given with the value of d as 2. We can give it 3. See, there the length is 4 and array is 9. So we have to do this. Now compiling and running, submitting. See, now all the test cases are means all the test cases are passed. So moving on with the next question.